Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. On 14th of January this year, we will be celebrating Bhogi Pandige. That is the day before Makar Sankranti, which falls on 15th. So 15th is a very auspicious day, a day for new beginnings. So before that, on 14th, we have to make ourselves ready for it by keeping ourselves clean, not only bodily, but from your Manasu, Vak and Kaya, that is your mind, speech and your body too. Remove all negative tendencies. You can refrain from speaking anything harsh. You can refrain from doing anything negative using your body. At the same time, it is also important to keep your mind free from all negative thoughts. Once that is done, we are ready to welcome the new month of Thai, the following day, which we celebrate as Makara Sankranti. So on this day, we generally make one sweet dish known as Poli. Different types are there. Today I will show you the Puran Poli, which we make at home. And along with that, Vadai, Channa dal Vadai, and other whatever festival recipes we can have for lunch. Today I will show you how to make Poli and Vadai. For making the Poli, take 1 cup of Maida, just a pinch of salt, a pinch of haldi or turmeric powder, add water little by little and make it into a soft dough. Add some til, that is sesame oil, to it and again mix it very well. See, this dough has to be very soft, so knead it well and allow it to soak like this for about 2 hours. We will come back after 2 hours and then make the Poli. Pour another tablespoon of oil on it and just leave it aside to soak well. Meanwhile, we will make the Purnam for that is the stuffing. For that again 1 cup of Channa dal. We will wash it. I have taken 2 cups of water in my pressure cooker. Add the washed dal to it. When it starts boiling again, cover it. We will cook it for 3 whistles and switch it off. Let's look at the Channa dal. It should be well cooked but not mushy. See, for example, like this. Should be able to press it easily. Next, drain out the excess water from the dal. Strain it out. Don't waste this water. You can just add a pinch of salt and drink it up too, or add it to your gravies also. Now add the drained dal to your food processor or mixer jar and we'll make it into a paste. Don't add any water, just blend it into a smooth paste like this. Now wash the pressure pan, put it back on heat, or you can use any heavy kadai, whichever you have. Heat a tablespoon of ghee. Add 1 cup of Jaggery to it. Just allow the Jaggery to melt, keep the flame low. When the Jaggery starts melting, add this crushed cooked dal to it. And mix everything well together. See, can you see it thickening now? Just continue stirring till the Jaggery has melted completely and blended well with the dal and comes together as one mass. See, now everything has come together like this. I'll just add a little bit more of ghee to it and give it one final mix. See, our Purnam or stuffing is perfectly done and ready now. If you just touch it with a wet hand, it should not stick to your fingers. That should be the consistency. Another way of testing is see that it leaves the sides completely like this and comes together. Or also, this is the test. It should stand like this without falling. Now I am adding half a teaspoon of cardamom powder to this. Mix it well together. Then we will remove it and allow it to cool. When cool, portion it out into lemon sized balls like this. So the Purnam, the stuffing has been divided into 12 portions. See, our dough has soaked well and see, it should stretch like this. Just take a small portion of the dough. Just spread out a little bit of the dough on your palm like this. Keep this Puran in the center and stretch this dough to cover this stuffing or Puran from all sides. See, the Puran should be well covered on all sides like this. Use a little rice flour for dusting and first flatten it out with your palm. Then gently roll it out into a large poli, thin poli. The main idea is that the Puran, that is the stuffing, should be spread all around. It should not sit in the center. Only then the poli will be sweet at the edges as well as the center. Now heat a tawa, place the poli on it. Keep the flame low. First allow it to cook on one side till you see bubbles forming here. Carefully flip it over and cook on the other side too. Now just add a few drops of ghee to it. Cook it well on both the sides. Now carefully remove it. Let it get a light reddish brown color like this. It's cooked well. Gently remove it onto a plate. Now when you place the polis, when it is hot, don't place them directly one on top of another. Place them separately. Then when it is cool, you can place the next one here. Likewise, we will complete making all the polis. For the vade, I have soaked 1 cup of channa dal with 2 dry red chilies. It has been soaking for about 1.5 hours now. We'll drain out the water. I'll also add 1 green chilli, a small piece of ginger. Now grind all this together without adding any water. See, first I ran the mixie with only the chilies and ginger. Now we'll add the drained dal to it. This is because we want the chilies to be ground well. Dal we can grind but without adding water. Preserving a little bit of the soaked dal which I'll add to the batter later. See, we have ground the chana dal without adding any water to a slightly coarse batter. Now I'll take it out. Here I have finely chopped some fresh coriander leaves, curry leaves and just 1 green chilli I have finely chopped. If you have small children at home, you can grind this chilli along with the batter. Don't add chopped chilies. That is entirely your convenience. Now add the required quantity of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of Hing. That is asafoetida. Mix everything well together. Now we can add this soaked chana dal which we had reserved in the beginning. Add that also. Again mix everything well together. I like to add some pudina leaves, fresh pudina leaves. It adds an awesome flavor, but today I could not get, so I only added this coriander and curry leaves. Portion out the vade batter into balls like this. Your oil should be very hot. Just flatten it out a little and gently drop it into the hot oil. After a few minutes, you can carefully flip them over so that they are fried well to a lovely reddish brown color on both the sides. Remember, at first the oil should be very hot. When you drop in the vades, reduce it to a medium flame. See, when it comes to a lovely golden brown color like this, we can remove it from the oil, drain it out onto a plate. Likewise, we will make the remaining vades also. We have completed frying all our vades now. So we have got 12 polis and 12 vades of this size. We are bringing these recipes to you a little earlier so that if you are a beginner, you can comfortably get ready for the festival and follow the recipes, get your ingredients ready. I have already shown you til laddu, that is white sesame seeds laddu, in the shorts. You can view that too. Thank you for watching the video. Wishing everyone a very happy Makara Sankranti, and please like, share and subscribe to Gita's Kitchen. We'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.